was terrific.
Really bitchin'.
Wow. It was so wow.
Yeah, I mean, you should play in public.
Thanks, you guys. That's. I want to play you another piece. I left my helicopter sounds on another disc. I'll be right back, okay?
God bless my dad for soundproofing the basement.
Oh, I can't believe I ever let him touch me with those fingers.
What are you guys talking about? I loved it. It was so moving. Oh, plus, it's so different from the stuff you usually hear.
You mean music?